Hey everyone, welcome back to the SQL tutorial series. Today's video is all about one of the most powerful features in SQL, subqueries, and also called as nested queries. So we'll learn what subqueries are, the two main types, scalar and table subqueries, where you can use them in select, where, from, and having real life examples you will actually encounter in projects. Let's get started and make subqueries super simple. So now let's understand what is subquery. A subquery is a query inside another query. Think of it like asking a question within a question. For example, give me the employees who earn more than the average salary. To do this, we first need to find the average salary, that's our inner query, and then use that result in the outer query. Subqueries are always written inside parentheses and can return a single value called a scalar subquery, a set of values called a table subquery. Now let's create two simple tables, employees and departments. Return the create statements for departments and employees. Let's execute. After this, I will just insert some data. Let me execute this. Alright. So now we have sample table and sample data. Now let's find out the employees who earn more than the average salary. So for that, we'll write select name comma salary from employees table, that which we created now, and here we'll say where salary is greater than, and here we need to add the subquery, that is select average of salary from employees. So the inner query calculates the average salary in the employees table. So this will give average salary from employees. If we execute just this, as you can see, 56,000 is the average salary from the data available in employees table. We have 56,000 here. Now it will check where salary is greater than 56,000. So let me execute this. As you can see, we have got Bob and Diana whose salary is greater than 56,000. That means their salary is greater than the average salary of the employees. So this is scalar subquery returning only one value. Now let's see subquery in select clause. So let's display each employees with the name of the department using a subquery. So I will say select name comma salary, and in the select statement we will write the subquery. So we write subquery in parentheses and we'll say select name from departments, where departments dot id is equals to employees dot department id. Put it in next line, and here we need to add the alias name, that is as department from employees table. So let me execute this. As you can see, we have got the departments along with the name and the salary. So this is a correlated subquery. It runs once per row. The subquery depends on the outer query's current row value. Now let's see the subquery in from clause. So let's find the top earners per department, but first build a subquery with max salary by department. Now we'll fetch the max salary from the employees by grouping the department ID. So to do that, I will say select department. I will just add select star from employees, and here I will just say department ID comma, we have the function called max. It will give the max value in that column, that is salary from and will give the alias name as max salary from employees, and we will group by department ID. So let me just execute this query. So by grouping the department ID, so we have three department IDs and we have got the max salary for each particular department. Now we need to know the top earners per department. So we'll take this as a subquery in a minute, and we'll say as department max. Now here I will just say select star from, and it will give the same results as before, as you can see. Now we will join the employees table to get the employees data. So I will just say employee join employees e on e dot department id equal to department max dot department id, and e dot salary equal to department max dot salary max salary, and we will join the departments table. So and join departments d on d dot id equal to e dot department id. So let's execute this. We can take whatever data we need, like name, department, employee name, salary, etc. But here I am fetching all the data. So this is a table subquery used as a virtual table in the from clause. So this returns department wise max salaries and then joins that with the employees to get the names of the employees. Alright, now we'll see some best practices. So always use this parenthesis for writing the subqueries. We can write the subqueries in select and in from as well as in where. For complex logic subqueries, we can improve readability, but sometimes joins or CTEs are better for performance. So we'll cover CTEs versus subqueries in a separate video. Now let's do a quick recap. So subqueries let you write powerful nested logic in SQL that we have seen here. You have seen how to use them in where, select, from. You now understand scalar subqueries, that is single value return, and table subqueries that will give the table like data. So try practicing these examples with your own data or expand them with filters. That's it for this video. If you like this, please like, subscribe and hit that bell for more beginner to advanced SQL tutorials. See you in the next one. Till then, happy querying.